welcome to EZ Eatery. My name is Angela. Do you guys like chili relleno? Oh my gosh, it's so good. But it's a long, cumbersome process to make. So this recipe has been popping up all over my Facebook page for a chili relleno casserole. This is EZ Eatery. I like things that are easy, that still taste amazing and delicious. So we're gonna put that together today. Welcome in. So here's everything we're going to be using today. So I have 2 ginormous Poblano Peppers, some baking powder, some flour, some eggs, I picked up a can of more peppers just in case I needed it, some cheese, and some bell pepper, tomato, onions, and to top it off with everything, I'm going to use some green peppers. You can use cilantro too. And everything will be listed for you in the description box below. But to get started, we do need to char up our peppers. So I'm using them right on the gas grill. If you have you can put them in the oven, you can put them in the air fryer, you can also put them on your grill. Just make sure that it has nice black char on it. Once they get nice and charred, we need to seal them up. So we need to let them sweat out. So I'm putting them back in the original little baggie that I got from the store because I'm too cheap to to buy baggies. And so anyway, this works. So we're going to let them hang out for 25 minutes. It's time to get started on the good stuff. So yeah, we have to separate some eggs. So we have to separate the white from the yolk. And so in one goes the yolk, one goes the whites. And yes, we got to do this 6 times. But you guys, check this out right here. Oh my gosh, this kind of tripped me out a little bit. So look at there. Look. What is that? What is going on right there? Double yolk. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Isn't that weird? What is going on with our chickens? So bizarre. That was a third one in the same pack. That's so weird to me. Anyway. Okay, back to the grind. All right, so hopefully we don't get any more surprises because to me that is so strange. Literally like 3 out of my 12 eggs had double yolks. And I really hope this doesn't mess up my souffle because that's really going to tick me off. No joke. All right, so now that we have those all separated, we have to take them to the mixer. You can use a hand mixer, stand mixer. To me, stand mixer is a whole lot easier. Add a little bit of salt and pepper and just go ahead and whip it up. Now, it does take about 8 minutes or so. This is my favorite part, sitting here waiting. Oops, forgot to mention to warm up the oven to 350. Okay, back to watching our eggs go, but I have it on fast mode, so we're speeding it up. And once it gets to about right there, about the 8-minute mark, look at those stiff peaks. All I can say is, wow, check it out. Look, it's not even coming out at all. I mean, that's exactly what we wanted. So, okay, now we can start adding in all the other goodies. So we're going to add in our egg yolks. And like I said, hopefully that one doesn't mess me all up because I will be not happy. And we're going to add in a 1/3 cup of flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're just going to go ahead and now we're going to put this on really low because we want it to mix together. Look at all that flour is coming out all over the place. Anyway, put it on low and just wait until it's all blended together. But holy crap, guess what I almost forgot? I almost forgot the milk. You need a 1/4 cup of milk in there as well. So now it'll be incorporated. So there we go. Just sit there and let it continue to do its job until it is all incorporated. All right, let's get started on our peppers. So I'm just going to take the ends off, and then we have to take that char off. I know, we did all that work just to remove it. Isn't that funny? Anyway, we're just going to go ahead and peel that off. I started off with a knife, and then I ended up getting the rest of it off underneath some water. So then we're going to go ahead and cut that open and take out all of those seeds. So well, I don't like seeds in them anyway. So I don't know. You can leave them in there, I guess, if you want. But look at this one. This one turned out silly. It's kind of like red. I don't know why. Anyway, so we're going to take an 8x8. This is an 8x8 and spray the bottom of it and the sides. And then I'm going to start layering this. So we're going to add a little bit of our mixture in there. Look at there, you guys. Look at that mixture. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful batter right there. And then we're going to add in 2 of our peppers, even the ugly ones. I mean, whatever. They probably still taste delicious. We'll find out, right? Add a little bit of onion to it, some bell pepper, and some tomato. And we're just going to kind of layer this just like you would a lasagna, and add your cheese. So I'm using Monterey Jack. I think it would be really excellent with some pepper jack too. But anyway, just keep on layering all the way until you get to the very top of it. I was pretty impressed with how many layers I was able to get out of this, actually. So, and then I got to the very end of it, and I was like, oh, wait, we don't want to waste a moment of it. And then at the very top, I just used the rest of my vegetables, and then I topped it with a whole layer of the cheese. So then we get to put it in the oven. Look at there, you guys. Isn't it looking beautiful? Oh, I did top mine with some green onions. So, but cilantro would be super excellent in here as well. So anyway, into the oven we go. So we're going to pop that in there. We had it at 350, remember? And we're going to put that in for 45 minutes. And then we have to let it rest for an additional 20 minutes, okay? Don't get into it. I know your house is going to smell amazing and you're going to want to jump right into it, because I certainly did. But we have to wait, okay? And look at there. Oh my gosh, it's all done. Okay, this is before I let it rest. So, but look at there, isn't it beautiful? Ooh, it looks so delicious. Let's go ahead and cut into it, and I'm really excited to show you what it looks like on the inside. So, I'm going to start with a corner piece. I like the middle, but the quarters are also good too. But anyway, so I'm going to try and get this out the best I possibly can without breaking anything. Oh, it came out. Oh my gosh, look at there. Look at those layers. Let me get you a close-up. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look amazing? I mean, look at it. It's all springy. It's soft. Oh my gosh, we have to dig into this. Ooh, the cheese is like all over the place. Oh my goodness, I want a little bite of everything. Here you go, you first. It's all about you. But I'm gonna take it for you. Oh my wow, this is so good. This is amazing. You will definitely have to try this one out, because I am telling you, I think I need a little bit of salsa with it. Oh wow, look. Can you believe we made that? Oh my gosh. So impressive. It's so spongy. It's amazing. All I can say is, oh wow. That like really seriously does something to your taste buds. It is so delicious. Gonna have to give that one a try. So anyway, that was fun. Thank you so much for joining me. Hey, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please give the video a thumbs up. It would certainly warm my heart. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye now.